Good morning, Todd here from Wall Street Education. Today's December 17th, 2025. It is a little before our start time at 9:45, but I am going to take this Q's slingshot short. Let me hit buy market. I'm a little late on the trade, actually. There we go. I'm filled at $1.84, so it's $1,840 for 10 contracts. We are looking for a 15% ROI, return on our investment. So I didn't even have a chance to click my $150 stop. Let me plug in 15%. And if we get up, look at that. I just hit it that fast, about 40 seconds in, out, 15%. This is exactly how you do it. You follow the rules. You don't hesitate. You get in, you manage the trade. You go in with a predetermined profit target and you get ready for the next trade. I'll talk with you soon. Todd here from Wall Street Education. It is now 9:49 in the morning, 4 minutes after our start time. And you can see how the background of both the Qs and the SPY are painted red. That keeps our focus on the short side. And you see we have slingshot gaps on both markets. I like the SPY because we haven't hit the WSE demand area yet, where the Qs have already gone down, breached it, and come back up. Something that you'll learn in the course. Now, I'm going to take this short once. Let me put in an option contract first here. And I'm going to hit buy market right now. Okay, so I'm in. What's the price? $1.47. So $1,470 to, let me pay attention to my stop here, to invest to trade 10 contracts. My profit target is 15%. We have the percentage column in our matrix, so it's very easy to spot, and you can see that it's up there at almost. Let me scroll down. I don't want to miss this if I have to put my stop in and get out. We're looking for, I think it was $1.70, yes. So let's see how this develops. Here's an update. There it is right there, 15.65%. That is our target. Now this approach is based on taking a 15% return on your investment with each trade to build your stop loss bank. Let me plug it in here. Well, hold on one second. When did I get in? About a minute and a half ago, 2 minutes ago? I keep moving my price around, my matrix around to be prepared. You'll notice that I'm in this trade without my hard stop. And I'm lightning fast. I know this is one of those cases where don't do as I do, do as I say. Unfortunately, but it's the way I trade. I've been doing this for 25 plus years. I'm very comfortable and very fast. I want to stress that. I don't have any problem clicking right here when I need to, and the price gets down there. I just want to be prepared to take the 15% if the price drops rapidly, and I don't have to cancel that. So right here at $1.70, let's plug this in. Whoops, right there. Got filled with further. Okay, we're out. So whatever that took, I don't know, 49, 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, something like that. Another 15% return on our trade. You can make a week's pay in a minute or 2 minutes or 1 or 2 trades. So think of how valuable that is. If you want to learn how to do this, you know where to find us, wallstreeteducation.com. I will talk with you soon.